Good morning, students of class 6. We have already discussed the half part of the story and we are reading the Wali Dad story. Uh, Previously, in the previous video, we have discussed how Wali Dad gave that gift which was given by the queen to the king of Nekabad. Now, we are starting what the king of Nekabad did. The king of Nekabad accepted the gift, okay, and he sent 12 horses as a gift for Wali Dad. 12 horses of best breed. 12 horses of best breed. He gave that to a gift to Wali Dad. Wali Dad found the situation getting worse. He found that the situation is getting very worse because everybody is giving more the gift that he was sending to him. He was sending to the kings, and then getting worse and sent off the horses to the queen. What he will do with that horses? What he will do? He sent those horses to the queen. Then queen decided to send back a gift that the grass cutter wouldn't find difficult to match. Now the queen decided that she will give a best gift that nobody could match and nobody could send her back. Okay, so she gave grass cutter 20 mules laden with silver. 20 mules laden with silver means 20 mules is an animal which is used in the desert areas, and she loaded 20 mules with the silver bags. Okay, what he will do? Merchant was asked to carry the silver to the king of Nekabad. He sent these silvers to the king of Nekabad with that particular merchant with whom he was sending all that gifts. Okay, Wali Dad again the same thing happened. Again the same thing happened. Wali Dad received a bigger gift from the king of Nekabad. Again the the king of Nekabad gave a better gift than Wali Dad. Wali Dad got worried. He didn't give the gift to the queen. So at that time, queen wanted to meet Wali Dad. Queen wanted to meet Wali Dad. So Wali Dad got the news that the queen is coming, and this made him worried. Wali Dad got worried on getting to know about the queen's arrival. Wali Dad met and he was very tensed. What he will do at that particular time? Two radiant ladies were passing through the jungle. Two radiant ladies were putties. Okay, after leaving his hut, he met those putties, and those putties turned him into a rich man. According to the wish of Wali Dad, he turned them to the two putties turned the Wali Dad to a rich man. Wali Dad was a simple and straightforward person. He asked the Parish to only give him money to only build a palace for only 2 days. Only 2 days where the queen can live and where the queen can stay. Okay, he did not desire to have money and the palace. He did not desire the palace and the money. Both king and queen reached Wali Dad's palace. Both reached to the Wali Dad palace and both liked each other. So both get married. The 2 days ceremony of their marriage were held. 2 days ceremony of the marriage were held in the Wali Dad's house. Okay, their marriage took place in Wali Dad's place. Perry gave him back, and after when the 2 days were over, when the marriage ceremony was completed, both the king and the queen went to Nekabad, and therefore after this marriage ceremony, he did not want to keep the money, he did not want to keep the palace. Okay, so Paris again visited and asked Wali Dad, would you like to keep this money? Would you like to keep the palace? No. Wali Dad simply said that he did not want to keep the palace. He did not want to keep the money. He liked his old settlement. He liked his old hut. He liked his old lifestyle. So he returned everything and he again started living like as he was living before. This was a story, and this story has a great moral that we should not change when money is with us. Money changes everything, we know that, but we should not change our characteristics. We should not change our behavior when money is with us. This is a very important moral that we draw from this story. Thank you.